I'm Stephen Dolphin. I'm an Associate Director here at Stride Treglown, and I'm Head of Business Change and IT. Stride Treglown are an employee-owned architectural practice, one of the top 10 architecture firms, and we were the first architectural company to achieve B Corp status in the UK. We saw the opportunities that were being presented by AI, but we understood that to get the real value out of them, we needed to take a strategic approach. One of the really useful things that Kascade did with us was help us extract use cases and role-based scenarios where we could look at different teams and the workflows of those different teams. And then during an Art of the Possible session, Kascade showcased some really good examples of how each of those teams could achieve particular bits of their workflow. And that was really useful for us because that sort of sparked excitement and it opened up everybody's eyes to what was possible. When you augment that with our current journey with Kascade to move towards Teams and SharePoint, you can start to see how things like Microsoft Copilot can sit alongside our SharePoint journey and then start to take on some of those role-based tasks itself. As we started to move more and more data into a SharePoint environment, we knew it was really important that we had a reliable backup system in place. So we turned to Kascade and we've implemented Kascade Backup M365. The solution they provide, which is powered by Druva, does exactly what we need in terms of providing reliable and secure backups of Teams, SharePoint and OneDrive data. One of the things that really inspires confidence when working with Kascade is that you've got a team of technically strong people. So if we run into any problems or there's ever any concerns, there's a real confidence that there's someone behind the scenes there who can just jump on a call and help, and it knows exactly what we're doing and where we're going. The Windows 11 upgrade project was handled predominantly by Kascade's technical team, actually. They set up Autopilot within our own Azure environment. They set up all of the Windows upgrade schedules and scripts within our environment. They helped us troubleshoot any problems we had when we were then rolling out on site. That probably would have taken us 3 or 4 months worth of work internally to work through all that alongside our existing stuff. But we were able to just to have that package of work handed off to Kascade's technical team, and it worked really well. We have an external project accounting system, and it was really important for us that when a new project was made in that system, it was able to feed into Teams via Orchestra acting as the middleman. So we've now got that integration in place thanks to Kascade's help. And so every time we make a new project, it automatically flows to Orchestra and creates the same standard project template output for our users to engage with. Looking at Microsoft Purview, security is really important to us because as we move towards AI and SharePoint, the documents that we've written will be much more readily available for both systems and people to find. So we want to make sure that we've got a sensible framework in place to label those documents so that both AI engines like Copilot know what's okay to look at, and also so that our employees know what should be destined for internal or external audiences. Kascade have shown themselves to be a really strong and reliable strategic advisor, and I know that they're always on top of new technology and modernization developments. So as we move forwards, I'm really excited to see what suggestions they come up with and what things we can implement to help our employees and our clients.